Okay, you can do the intro.
Oh no.
Hi guys! It's Brianna's birthday.
She turned 18. She's grown.
This was a random ass vlog. I wasn't planning on doing this, but you know what? I'm pulling it out because yes. So guys, are we ready for an adventure?
Yes.
So we're gonna go to that Chinese food place for Brianna's birthday.
Downtown and
Chinatown. Look at us fancy.
I know.
Get on our level, please.
I'll see you guys on the train station.
Bye.
Hey guys, wish us luck.
We're taking a big risk today.
In honor of Brianna and her birthday.
Why does it take so long? It's coming.
It's coming down, coming down.
You should have vlogged that. That should have been.
That was funny.
2, 4,
That was-
6, 8, 12.
I got swiped.
Why don't you guys explain? Why don't you guys explain
So
what
we're at the
happened?
train station and this guy, you know, like those people that are like, oh, we can swipe you in for money.
People from California. They don't know.
So in New York, right? People will swipe you in for money. Like they take your Metro card and they're like, oh, okay, we'll swipe you in if you give me $12 or like $2. So this guy was like, yeah, I got $2 swipes. I can swipe y'all in. And then he was counting how many there are. There's 6 of us. And he times about 2, so he got 12. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 12.
$12 swipe. All 6 you have to get in.
He's like, so what's the word? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 10, 12.
I bet you can get it. Exactly.
That's what we go through. This is our face
This is
situation.
like always a reminder where we are. Like we're trying to be fancy, and then it's like, no, remember, you're in the Bronx.
We can just make it downtown. You're in the Bronx. You're in the Bronx. This is the city. This is the
I don't have any worries. Okay,
What?
say it again. Just say that again.
Okay, so we're waiting for the train, and then they said, oh no, there's no way to 14th Street. Like, there's a problem.
Because get out of the train.
Get out.
All of us. Everyone.
After we just paid money to get in the train.
They make us get out after we paid. And we're over here trying to be fancy. No,
On time.
3:20 start walking. It's not gonna work.
we're going to have to walk.
We're gonna walk the trainway.
Let's
Not
freeze
like-
our booties.
This is bull.
Right. We actually try to do something nice today. Go out.
You know what?
Fancy. And they try to wreck our plans.
They're not going to wreck them, though. One door closes, another one opens, sis.
Right.
Pay for the reservation to begin with.
Yeah, the Chinese food place closes. We're going to Shake Shack, sis.
Right.
Chips.
Get that before the sun goes
Right.
down.
Right.
Yeah. Hello, we pay for these.
A local bodega, because you already know.
A local bodega, you know.
And now we're going back to the freaking adventure.
Hello, I've taken over Mia's vlog for 2.5 seconds because this is an impromptu photo shoot. See here we have a photography, Destiny.
You should
You should hire
All right,
her.
keep taking pictures because she's freezing.
We're out here freezing, but you know,
Yeah, we
anything
have
for those
over here
Insta
tagging that
pics.
she's freezing.
Oh! Taina, hold up. You better stay like that because let me want for my picture, for my phone.
Go back to my old ways. You're telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. In the old days, I'm such a romantic. I never remember how things really happen. I guess you're attractive or something. Live in the moment, that's what they tell me. But whatever happened to when you would hold me and hold me and hold me?
Skywalking on these haters. Where's Brianna and all the rest of them? We are currently in Sephora right now, looking at all the shit we can afford.
Right.
Yeah. I use for my face.
How is it? Does it work good?
Yeah, it works bomb, so it's actually moisturizing my soul. Taina! What are you doing?
My face will be moisturized, so can my hands.
The fuck? Keep the fancy gold glitter thingy highlight.
It is. I definitely owned it already.
Yeah, you didn't try it out today.
No. I bought it. My man's Luca bought it for me.
What? She has an actual boyfriend, guys. She's over here daydreaming about this. About Tahina's fake boyfriend. Well, she has a real one.
Real.
She has a real one that she forgot.
You have a real boyfriend. We don't have real boyfriends. We
Right.
don't have any boyfriends at all.
Right. Hey, what?
Where the fuck is the shade
What are you
ring?
doing?
Look at this.
All the dark shades are gone. Surprise, surprise.
Right.
And then there were 3. We went through the only shit today. And now we're on our way home.
Thank God.
And this is the ending of the vlog because when I get home, I'm not going to vlog anymore. So, bye everyone.